Hello everyone, my name is Chirag. I am from first year's Computer Science and Engineering. My invention is enhancing education through virtual reality. I am from Srinias Institute of Technology, Valachil. Virtual reality is a cutting edge technology that is revolving in the field of education. By providing immersive, interactive, and realistic experience, VR has the potential to transform the way of students learn and educators teach. This technology allows the students to explore virtual worlds and gain deeper understanding of complex subjects. In this presentation, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of VR in education. First is advantages of VR in education. The first is enhanced learning. VR makes abstract concepts tangible, improving the comprehension and knowledge retention. The second is experiential learning. Students can virtually visit historical places, conduct scientific experiments, and engage in hands-on learning. The third is increased engagement. Immersive experience captivate students' attention, leading to higher levels of interest and motivation. The fourth is accessibility. VR enables to access quality education for remote learners and those with a physical limitation. The disadvantages of VR in education: lack of social interaction. Virtual reality education can lead to isolation as it may reduce to face interaction among students and between students and teachers. The second is cost. Implementing virtual reality technology can be expensive, requiring investment in hardware, software, and ongoing maintenance. The third is teacher training. Educators may require specialized training to effectively integrate virtual reality into their teaching methods. The fourth is limited subject matter. Some subject might not translate well into virtual reality, making it less effective for certain types of learner. This is a prototype of the VR. Thank you.